Guys, Brian back with the Cardano ADA token update here. We finally got this breakout here we've been talking about for 3 or 4 days now. All these RSIs, especially on the daily RSIs, on a lot of this stuff is reset. Cardano just did a SR flip, so we have taken back this former support that turned into resistance. We've taken that back as support now, and we'll get into this chart here in a second, guys. Got a really good article to show you. Will Cardano ever exceed Ethereum in price? All right, this is written by BN Crypto, was put out today. It says in 2021, Cardano finally broke through and even looked like a contender to overtake Ethereum. However, this did not happen, and currently Ethereum has a much higher market cap and higher price per coin compared to Cardano. In this article, we will discuss whether Cardano could ever become as worth as much as Ethereum and what it is needed for it to happen. And we'll just skim over this, but says here, Cardano's goal is to provide a scalable and secure blockchain to create decentralized apps and smart contracts. The concept is similar to what Ethereum is working on. Why is Ethereum higher than Cardano? As of rating, Ethereum's price is $18.20, while its market cap is $219.2 billion. In contrast, Cardano is 37 cents and has a market cap of $13.3 billion. However, Ethereum also has greater range of development and use in the crypto community. The platform has a wide range of apps and smart contracts used by companies and developers, which increases the demand for crypto. We've talked about this before. You know, a couple years ago, everybody was hammering Cardano. It's a dead blockchain. There's nothing building on it. We did a video like a month ago that Cardano has over 1,200 projects building on it right now. So it's definitely up and coming. It says staking on Cardano and ETH. Users can stake both coins. As of writing, there are over 19 million ETH, worth around 35 billion, staked on the ETH network. In contrast, there are 23 billion ADA staked on Cardano, with a total value of 8.7 billion. As much as 65% of all ADA is staked. That's awesome. If that doesn't make you feel good about being an ADA holder, as much as 65% of it is staked. That means people just can't dump it. You know what I mean? That's smart money. That's people out there that, you don't sell the red, you sell the green, especially this far down. Wait for this thing, not financial advice, but Cardano's far from done. Can Cardano reach the same price as ETH? It is certainly possible that Cardano may one day become worth as much as Ethereum. The platform has already reached several important milestones and has made a good first quarter. For example, it launched Aiken, a new simpler programming language which is expected to attract more developers and companies to use the platform, which may increase the value. How can Cardano become worth as much as Ethereum? I don't realistically seeing that happen. I mean, it's kind of common sense. The coin difference, the circulating supply difference. Let's go down through here. Basically what they're saying up here, a few things must happen for Cardano to be worth as much as ETH. First, the platform must attract more developers and users. This can be achieved by improving support for smart contracts. Cardano must have its own face and be better than different blockchains. The platform must continue to innovate and introduce new functions and possibilities. Realistically speaking, almost all data appear to speak in favor of ETH. However, there is one factor we have not yet considered: the difference between how well Charles Hoskinson is compared to Vitalik Buterin, the founder of ETH, and using marketing to create hype around the project. If another bull market arrives and Hoskinson manages to reach the masses with his fancy talks, everything is possible. Then Cardano can overtake its eternal rival Ethereum. Maybe in total market cap, yeah, that's absolutely possible, but Cardano will never reach $1,800 a coin. That's impossible. Okay, then maybe they're talking total market cap. That would only make sense. I mean, the circulating supply is just so massively different. Here's the crypto bubbles for the day. Top 100. Tons of green out there. needed this Bitcoin breakout. Been talking about it. All these RSIs are reset, and things are looking really good. Here's for the hour. Some of these are getting overextended on the hourly and need to correct, come back and retest their breakouts. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index, the market cap is up 6.6%. There's that volume spike we've been wanting, 56% over 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance is rising. It's up 2% today. And the Crypto Fear and Greed indicator is at a 56. We were at a 53 yesterday. Here's the top 100. We're going to reload that real quick. There we go. Yeah, I got a couple. Well, there's one. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stable coins over here. Okay, so there's 2 out of the top 100 in the red. We go down through here. Where's Cardano? Right there. 8.25%. Okay, that's lagging a little bit. We're at 0.413 right now. Okay, so I'm expecting Solana to make a big move here pretty soon too. That thing has just been, it just broke out of some massive resistance, like 9 month resistance. So, all right, let's get back to these charts, guys. Number one, got to show you Bitcoin. This all ties together, okay? Bitcoin did an SR flip. It ended up taking this former resistance, turned to support, turned into resistance. Now we've gone back and taken it back as support. All right, watch Bitcoin to hold that 28,400 level. Okay, then that next level up for that thing is going to be right up here at 30,500. Okay, expect this thing. The daily RSI looks fantastic for Bitcoin. It is down at the bottom. The higher time frames are getting over exhausted. You can see we're at the top right there on the 4 hour, the 2 hour, and the 1 hour is on its way down. So I expect it to, it can do whatever it wants. Obviously, but I expect it to come back down here and retest that 28.4, 28.5 area now as support at some time. It's hard to say when it'll do it, but it would be a good time for it to do it with all the RSIs overextended there. Okay, Bitcoin dominance. There's a chart on it. I'm going to show you this weekly because this thing has been in this channel for 2 years now. All right, you can see this goes back to April of 2021. All right, it's been bouncing back and forth in here. Now it's threatening to break out of this range, okay, which would be crazy. It hasn't done that for, a long time. Last time it was even down at this area was back in 2018. So, but it's been holding down here for the last 2 years now because these altcoins are taking their fair share of the market, but it's making a run to break out of here. That weekly RSI is right at the top on this thing. If we go to the daily, you can see it's heading up, so it's got a fair chance of breaking out. The DXY, the dollar, it's still falling. It is down 0.36% today. We're still looking for that to break that 100.7. You can see the technicals on the DXY are a sell, a neutral, and a strong sell. So if we have a falling dollar, we have a stronger crypto and stock market, that's for sure. That sends all this other stuff flying. If we go into 1 month, okay, pretty neutral. The oscillators are a sell, but the technicals are saying, if you held this as a crypto or whatever, to sell it. Okay, all right, let's get back to ADA back here. This thing is looking great. Let's whoops, here's the chart we want. There we go. Okay. Now we've bumped right back up against this. Okay, you want to see this break through that, what is it, almost 42 cents. We'll call it 42 cents. You want to see it break up through there and flip this back into support. Okay, we have retaken this level. All right, this former level right here that was support. Okay, through here, we've taken that back, and now we are up there. We had a high today of 41.71. Okay, it'd be nice to take out that 41.8 and get this next level. Plus, it would get us back this support line. It's a valid support line turned into resistance. We butted right up against that now. And then the next resistance after that is up at 44 cents. Okay, so if we can break that 41.8, you know, would be looking to head towards the 44 cent area. Now the RSI's, the daily is at the bottom, the 4-hour is at the top, the 2 is at the top, and the 1 is at the top. So be watching for maybe a retest of it taking back this level right here. You know, this thing could come down, retest, okay, bounce around, let the RSI's cool off, and then make our next run up. So Cardano's looking great, looks strong just like the rest of the market. So please hit the like and subscribe button, guys. I forgot to ask that. That would help me out so much. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys real soon.